Yo, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Different kind of a setup here, but today we have something special. We have the OnePlus 6 in midnight black as well as the mirror black. So today we'll be unboxing, checking out the box contents, and you guys will see some crispy B-roll from the OnePlus Experience store here in Bangalore, and some other content on the OnePlus 6 is coming soon. So with that being said, let's get started with the unboxing itself. So starting off with the unboxing, let's get to the mirror black first. So lift the lid. And here it is, the mirror black itself. Let me take out that sticker for you guys. So that's that. And it's a fingerprinty phone, but right out of the box, it looks really good. And we'll keep to the side for now and get to the other phone. That is midnight black, which is made out of glass, but you really can't tell because the thing itself looks like ceramic or some other material. But the feel in the hand and the texture itself is really good. Again, peeling off this sticker, and here's the two phones side by side to you. Now getting into the box accessories, both of these phones are the same, so let's get over one of them. Now this is a packet that you would get. Below that is the USB Type-C cable. This is USB Type-C to USB Type-A for charging and data syncing. Keep that to the side, and you have the mammoth but very fast dash charger from OnePlus. This is very famous, and it can get you 60% of juice maybe in 30 minutes. And if you were to charge for an hour or so, you will get 85%. And this is very impressive as well. Now getting to the packet at the start, we have a free case, obviously, and some reading material. So let's get into that. It's tough to get in here, but yeah, let's do it anyways. The case itself and some reading material with the SIM tool, and that's all about it for the unboxing experience. The case is made out of silicone, so yeah, it's free and it's appreciated. So that's about it for the unboxing experience. Now let's go over some B-roll. So talking about the OnePlus 6, there is a lot to talk. There's not only the spec upgrade, but there's some new stuff around here. So as you can see, the first things first is the design itself. So we have the two colors available, that is mirror black and midnight black, and they both look good. And the material used is glass. So yeah, the feel in the hand is very premium. They have the heft, and yeah, for the price, I cannot complain about the design itself. Now talking about the specifications, you have the Snapdragon 845, you have 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, we have 6 on this and 8 on this. You have 64, 128 and 256 gigabytes on the Avengers Infinity War. That will be available soon, so my video will be out as soon as it comes out in India on retail. So that's that. And other than that, you have this beautiful looking display that is 6.28 inches, and it has the notch itself. So you have to embrace it. So it is a Samsung AMOLED panel. It is 2280 into 1080, that is full HD plus, and there is an aspect ratio of 19:9 with the notch. And the display itself looks really good, and it's vivid, it's bright, it's sharp, and it's saturated. So I have zero complaints about the display. Now talking about the notch, it totally comes down to you, your personal preference. Do you like it or no? I personally don't mind it because OnePlus has some software tricks to hide it, and also it does not come in between your experience. So while you're watching videos or consuming content or playing games, this is not going to affect you a lot. So in my opinion, the OnePlus 6's notch is not actually bad. Now moving on to the back, you have a dual camera setup, and one of them is a 16 megapixel sensor and the other is a 20 megapixel sensor, both having f1.7 aperture, and the primary camera is OIS enabled, so that is optical image stabilization. They can do 4K 60 FPS, you have 960 FPS slow motion video at 720p, and portrait mode is there. And the camera itself is improved a lot this year, so you can expect some really good results from this baby's camera this year. And yeah, that's about it for the camera and design and display. Now talking about the extras, you have the headphone jack, that is right here. You have the USB Type-C port and dash charges here. There's no wireless charging unfortunately, but you have water resistance. No IP rating unfortunately, but you do have some protection against rain, splashes, and basic normal day-to-day water damage. So yeah, OnePlus says it will be resilient to normal splashes. So let's see how that holds up. And that's about it. You can get the phone in India for 64 gigabytes, that is 35,000. You can get it in 128, that is 40,000 rupees or 39,999. If you want the Avengers Infinity War, you'll have to pay around 44,000 rupees. And the Silk White will also be available. So yeah, that will also have its own price. And that's about it. These are my unboxing and first impressions on the OnePlus 6. I think these devices are really impressive for the price. They're not perfect, but again, for the price, you can really not complain. So that's about it guys. Thanks a lot for watching my video, the unboxing and my first impressions on the OnePlus 6. Go ahead and like if you enjoyed. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification thingy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.